The first to be affected by the shake-up in the new leadership of the Philippine National Police is Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the Directorate for Controllership, who also served as spokesperson of the PNP. According to the newly designated acting PNP Chief, Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., Fajardo will be relieved of her responsibility as spokesperson, which he said should fall under the Public Information Office or PIO. Brigadier General Randolph Tuaño is the head of the PIO, who according to Nartates should also be the spokesperson.
Designated siya na spokes ano. Nandito ang ating PIO, under naman yun doon dapat. Di parehas kami, yung OCPNP, Office of the Chief, merong spokesperson at merong PIO, parang isa lang tayo.
It is also expected that some high-ranking officials who were affected by the controversial reassignment of dismissed General Nicolas Torre III will return to their original posts in compliance with the resolution of the National Police Commission ordering the recall of the reassignment.
I will tackle that with the NAPOLCOM. At for sure, i-implement natin yan. But alam nyo, ang NAPOLCOM, siya ang watchdog sa PNP. Siya ang repository ng ating mga policies and circulars. The PNP is under their administrative control and operational supervision. Meron tayong batas na 6975. Pagka hindi natin sinunod, para saan pa yung batas?
Meanwhile, Nartates said he has a good relationship with Torre and he will respect whatever decision Torre will make if he does not opt for early retirement to give up his 4-star rank.
Nobody can force a PNP to retire, no? Kasi karapatan niya yun, no? So, okay. And so, dito, of course, may order na relief and I have my designation orders. I follow.
Nartates was one of the officials reassigned by Torre from Deputy for Administration or second highest post to Western Mindanao as Area Police Commander. According to Nartates, he was unaware of the changes, noting he only received a call on Monday from the DILG to fly back to Manila due to some developments. Malacanang confirmed that Torre is being offered another position in government but kept details under wraps.
Huwag naman nating masabi nagkaroon ng messy transition because nagkausap naman po sila at alam po natin na naiintindihan ni General Torre kung ano yung naganap at nirerespeto rin po niya kung ano po yung naging desisyon ng Pangulo.
The palace also denied speculations that there is a growing rift within the Marquez administration because of Torre's sudden removal. Nartates today officially reported to the office of the Chief PNP, which Torre quietly vacated. Meanwhile, Torre visited Congresswoman Laila de Lima at the House. In an interview, Torre said he feels no bitterness toward what happened. He also wouldn't confirm whether he was offered a new government post.
Wala nga akong sama ng loob and I'm a good soldier. Kung may order, I just follow it.
You still support the president?
Of course. I wish General Nartates well. He's a very good officer.
Michael Delizo, ABS-CBN News.
The National Police Commission expressing full support for acting PNP Chief Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Rafael Calinisan thanks Nartates for implementing a resolution reversing the reassignment of senior officials ordered by SAC PNP Chief General Nicolas Torre III. Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla earlier admitted Torres' reorganizational decision was among the reasons for his removal.
Papasalamat tayo kay Chief PNP General Nartates. Thank you for implementing our National Police Commission resolution. Thank you for recognizing civilian authority over the uniform service. Buo po ang suporta ng National Police Commission sa inyo. Nandito po kami para mag-succeed po kayo. At we're very happy na kayo po ang niloklok ng ating Pangulo sa Philippine National Police. Congratulations po sa inyo, General Nartates.
Calinisan also weighing in on the issue of who will now hold the 4-star rank following Torres' relief. Although the president has removed Torre as PNP chief, he still holds the 4-star rank since he remains active in the police service. Nartates currently holds the rank of a police lieutenant general with 3 stars.
Pwede naman po yung senaryo na yon na may isang 3-star general na Chief PNP, pero meron pa ring 4-star general. May mga nangyari na po dati sa ating kasaysayan ng gano'n. It's not the most ideal, but it is possible. So we will release a NAPOLCOM resolution very soon, affirming the acting status, acting capacity of General Nartates as acting Chief PNP. The PNP Chief should have the rank of a 4-star general. So iba po yung rango, iba po yung opisina o yung designation niya. So hanggat may 4-star pa hong nakupo, hindi mo makukuha nung acting Chief PNP, in this case si General Nartates, yung pong 4-star na nararapat for bilang Chief PNP. Kaya acting pa lang.